All right. So that thing seems to work. I think the sound music might be too loud. Yes, the stream should be on the channel. You should be able to see it. I might have to add some dates to the title because at the moment they're all gonna have the same titles. So yeah, I might have to do something about that. Is the music too loud? Do I need to lower the sound or something? I'm not sure. I need to make sure things work. So I did a couple of things in between stream, but not that many things. You know, I prepared a couple of things. As you can see, I killed a lot of Endermans and I was able to get myself some things. That one actually, I'm not sure. Alright, so if it's just fine, perfect. So yeah, I've got all the spawners. I got some blaze spawner, and these are pretty much all going to change. But yeah, we got like slime, enderman, wither skeleton, witch, and vindicator. Vindicator, I thought it was gonna be a lot harder to get than it was to get. I got really lucky quick. So, but enderman, like it took so long to get. Like it wouldn't work because I wasn't in the end, so it was a little hard to get like Enderman to spawn. But I got like a pretty good trick in Sand Biome. Just like one thing, I got these boots while I was in the Nether trying to get trying to get the blaze and the wither skeleton. I just traded gold that I found to like one guy over there. Hey Blake. To one guy over there, and he gave me boots. Like one piece of gold, and then he gave me for like the 9 other piece of gold nothing. But yeah, so with these, I can pretty much get hit by anything and like I don't take damage. So I was just here going to Endermans in the desert, and eventually I got the egg. Actually, I think it gave me 2. Yeah, I think it gave me 2 in the same thing. Yeah, it's stupid. Just the boots are enough for me not to take any damage. And I got the helm, and I could make the chest, but I don't think I will do that because eventually we'll have like a jetpack or something. So yeah, I've also upgraded all the chests to gold. And that's pretty much what I've been doing. Oh, no, yeah. I found this, a teleport pad. It's a mining dimension. So I made a mine here instead. So yeah, that's a lot better. I can also teleport like this. But yeah, the mining dimension is pretty nice. There's no mobs. I don't even need to light anything. I haven't found any lava. Like, it's pretty nice to have. But yeah, so that's where I've been so far. And I was thinking that this episode we could... there's 2 things I kind of wanted you guys to decide. Either we work on the program for the turtle, or we work on getting the spawners set up. I'm not even sure how you do that. Spawners can be modified by right-clicking. Okay, so I guess it's simple. So you guys decide. So let me know in the chat what you guys want. So I'm not seeing anyone on Twitch. Anyone on Twitch is there? Let me see. Hey, Coding Chicken. Getting some maybe issue with chat. Let me just check. Yeah, I'm streaming. Okay. Let me just check. So, alright. So things seems to work. Perfect. Alright. I think first we need to enchant this helm. Wait, why don't I have any levels? Yeah, I don't have any levels, so I can't really enchant it. Alright. Oops. There we go. Now we've got 107 levels. Okay. Do I have... Yes, I do have some... Gloom, Magic Protection 8. Alright, we're gonna go for that. Air Affinity. What is Air Affinity? Well, that's a pretty good helm so far. What do I have? I think I let... Gloom... Insight, yeah. Insight is gonna be pretty cool. What can you get on a helm? I always forget. Yeah, well, they're gonna be pretty good for items. Slime for slime balls, endermans for ender pearls, wither, it's wither skulls and stuff. The witch is gonna give us redstone, glowstone, and everything like that. The vindicator actually gives us emeralds, and the chicken, it's simply to replace this stupid farm for food. Yeah, so that's the things that I thought about these choice. So, yeah, if we look, we can have 2 more, so maybe like another Enderman and another slime. So something like that. And these 2 here are Blaze. Blaze because Blaze rods. So pretty straightforward. Respiration, yeah, okay, yeah. This and the other stuff, that's good. Alright, so we're gonna try to get like respiration stuff. Displacement? What is displacement? Gloom, chance to negate status, nah. Displacement, randomly teleport attackers, I hate that. I hate the fact that, like, suddenly the guy you're attacking is not there. Like... Oh, wait! Aqua Affinity, that's the one! Alright. So we want Aqua Affinity, the other one we don't care. Displacement can go, Gloom can go, Mana Boost can go. The other Gloom can go as well. Air Affinity... Removes the mining speed penalty when you're not on the ground. Don't I have that already on something? Nope. Alright. We're gonna get that eventually, so since we can fly eventually, I presume. I'm not sure about the magic protection because I haven't seen any need for it. Insight, feather falling on the helm? What? The turtle thing option is I'm trying to make a mining program that's gonna be more effective than the usual mining program. So that's kind of the idea. Because I haven't seen one that clearly works the way I want to do it. So yeah. Fire protection, no. Well, for the moment, this thing works, so that's pretty good. Wait, why didn't it remove? It can't remove life mending. There we go. Of course you can remove life mending. You're just gonna do it another way. Okay. Teleportation, that's shit. So yeah, I say you should do the turtle thing this episode and the spawner next episode. We can do a little bit of both. Like, I don't know if I'll be able to do the whole turtle because it's a big thing. But maybe doing the logic part and getting to know what I need to do is gonna be better. And I'm also gonna code while I'm not on stream. That's for sure, because like I said, it's a big project. It's not a tiny thing. Come on, give me respiration. Why can't it give me respiration? Yeah, I think it's gonna be a good thing. Berserker's Fury? What is that? I keep getting things I've got no idea what they are. Become enraged when taking damage. Does it like remove life to get more damage, or what does it say? All right. Well, do you guys wanna see a little bit what I mean by the turtle program? I can show you. I have some things set up. So can you guys see my my Illustrator? I know it's not Minecraft. Whoa! So this is my Illustrator thing, and so let's say there's a grid. Wait, why can't I zoom out? Oh, there we go. All right. So there's a grid of blocks that you need to mine. So, and let's say your first block is always going to be the one like close to you. We're gonna start normally here. Okay? So my point is that I need to be able to mine every block the best way possible in the least amount of moves. I know. It's weird, but that's the point. My idea is that when we get to the first place here, what we do is we move it 2 blocks up and we move it to the side here. So that means that this, if I make another tiny square, not a rectangle, another tiny square, this thing is covering here and is covering here because it can't mine in diagonal. So this one here is then going to cover here, here, and here all together. So yeah, so these things are going to be mined, and also this one here is going to be mined. So then there would be the next one that would be right here, and it would again cover these 3 right there. So that's the plan. So it would go up like that all the way to the top, pretty much. Do I have it well like this? Yeah, that's kind of working. So pretty much. Oh wait, I did it too low. Like this. I should really change the small ones. We can barely notice the difference. So give me a second. All right, let's put them like a lighter blue or like a gray because they're being mined. All right. So of course this one comes here, and this one gets mined here as well, and this one then mines here. So this is the idea. So everything mines what's next to it. So in a game perspective, that would be the equivalent of so let's say the wood is your turtle. Well, it's gonna mine the blocks just next to it, and then it's gonna move from here to 1, 2 to the right, and then it's going to be able to mine the other blocks around it, so like these. So that's gonna make it that the first one's not gonna have anything on the side, so it's gonna make a full line, and it's less moves than if I do one line and then skip and another line. I think it's less move. I'm still not sure. That's why I'm doing the exercise. So that's what I want to see. The only thing that gets complicated is that you see the block here It's a block that needs to be mined, but I can't send the turtle outside of the set of blocks. Because when you tell it to do a 15 by 15, it needs to stay inside, so that means I need to put the turtle there. And it's going to mine this block here. So that's where it gets complicated. And as well, when you switch lane, you can't just put, like, let's say it here, because it won't mine this one. Meaning that you need to do something like this. Let's say I can't. What? Whoop. Oh man, I've been doing this on the same freaking layers. Let's move those to layer 2 and move these 3 to layer 2 as well. All right. So let's copy these and let's open this again. So that means that pretty much it's gonna be a copy of it right next to it. So that makes it that it's not super as impressive. Hey, Andre, yeah. Yeah, because I wanted to make the least amount of movement possible when it things, because it takes times when it turns, when it mines, and when it moves. So if I can do the least amount of movement as possible to mine, that's when it gets better. But this here is where it gets a little bit tricky, because as you can see, these 3 turtles are mining the same block, which is not efficient at all. So that's kind of the problem. Yes and no. The thing that you can do is that you need to think in 3D as well. This has like a long line. So it would do, what I mean by this is the top, and then it would go down or in line depending. I'm still not sure if it's horizontal or vertical, but it needs to, I need to figure out which one is more efficient as well. The other choice is the one that like pretty much probably everyone thought of, is that you make it do a line. So the thing though is, if we look here to mine the same amount practically of blocks, if you want to do this, this is what it looks like. So this thing here would mine 6 blocks in wide area, and this thing here would mine not even 6. So let's grab again this thing here. Let's paste it to get another one. And this would kind of do 6. Kind of. Not really. But yeah, so it would have like the other ones next to these. So practically 6. So that means that this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or let's just calculate, 2, 6, 18, 22, 24 movement, 24 space where it's going to be. And then there's the movements to turn the machine every time. Here, it's a little bit easier and things like that, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 28. So it's 26 and 28. So, well, these here, they can't. Because you need to mine this block. This block here needs to be mined, meaning that you need to either have the turtle go there or something. It could also work when it does the movement, but I think maybe, to be honest, the simpler solution here might be the best one. Because it's just, you move, you go left, you turn, you go left, you move, you go left, something like that. I think that would work. And yeah, because, okay, I've got an idea. So let's take one of these. If we do this, that means that this one here will do literally this. It will mine these three, so it's gonna go there, mine it, turn, mine it, turn, mine it, and then it's gonna move here. So you understand? So it's gonna move, and then it's gonna be able to mine this one, this one, this one, move, this one, this one, this one, move again. So I think this might be the best way. I think I'm snaking in this. So I think this one might be just simpler, but I'm not sure. I'm really not sure about this. It's not something I normally do, so I'm not sure in problems like that to cover a certain area, like what method is the best. This one is a lot simpler to code, but I think this one in the end you do less things. But the thing is, you gotta understand that if the turtle is facing, let's put some color. A good pink is great. Is facing that way. Let's alt. Yeah, okay. So if it's facing that way, you need to literally tell the machine turn left, turn left, turn right, turn right, turn left, turn left, turn right, turn right. So I think this might be the best solution, because I can use this to go left, and then after it moves it goes right, and then after it moves it goes left, and then you get the point. And it's simpler because once I reach this place here, I can know that I'm at the limit, and I know that I just need to do this one and that one, and then I move this side. So this is pretty easy. And if I notice that like the location I'm trying to get is outside the square, I send it to the limit -1 and then I just mine. I think that's the proper way of doing it. What do you guys think? Does it sound correct, or am I going crazy? Probably going crazy, but does it sound correct? Right, do I have Notepad++? I don't even have Notepad++. Oh, dang. Because if we look at one thing, one movement, it is you're here. So you start outside, by the way. So it's 1, you turn, 2, so that's 2, 3 for mining, you turn 5, you mine 6, 7 you turn, 8 you mine. Yeah, I'm trying to do this, but I'm also trying to do it that it doesn't mine blocks if you don't want it to mine it. So you can query only ores, because most of the time you're gonna send your turtle, it's not to clear an area, it's only to clear the place, that's it. So wait, I miscalculated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no. 1, turn, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 move. 7 move to mine 4 blocks. 7 move for 4 blocks. All right. So what if we literally just go in a straight line? But that's gonna make it that you're gonna mine everything. So, because if it's just a straight line, I'm not gonna worry about making a program for it. I'll just take one that has everything. In a straight line, though, I think I could make it better. Because there's something in the API that says that you can mine up and down and forward. Meaning that you could do it without turning the turtle. In that case, you would have 4 moves for 3 blocks. Yes, it doesn't cost anything, but it takes time. I'm also thinking about time and cost. It's not just cost that is the problem here. I'm trying to figure out a way to make a turtle be as efficient as possible. So, if let's say we're the turtle again, okay, but we're another plane. So we're on the y-axis. So this is up, this is down. It mines this. So that means that when we're outside, we're going to be doing 1. We're going in at like the current -1. We mine this one, so that's 1. Then we move, so that's 2. Then we do mine up, mine down. That's 4 for 4. That is a lot more effective. Kind of. I wanted to mine the least amount of block possible. Yeah, I think that is going... So all this craziness here is completely useless. So, alright, let's give an example a little bit to what I'm thinking. So, let's say I'm a turtle, okay? So, I go in, I'm gonna be 2 tall, but the turtle's gonna be 1 tall. So, I go in, alright? So, I start here, marked by the, on top here, and the turtle... well, let's put this to replace the block. So the turtle starts here. And it needs to move 1 block in, because that's outside the square where you wanna mine. So it's gonna break the block in front. That's 1 move. It's gonna move, and then it's gonna do top, bottom. It's still gonna stay here. And then it's gonna break the one in front, move, top, bottom. And that makes 4 moves, 5 moves, 4 moves? That's what? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 moves for 3 blocks? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4 moves for 3 blocks. So, if I go back here... No, you don't do that. So it's 4 moves for 3 blocks. Meaning if we do a common denominator thingy, it's 21 for 12 and 16 for 12. So in the end, it is better. It is 5 blocks per 12 better. Let it work. So yeah, so I think moving forward, mining up and down is the best solution. Because this one here, it's so complex. Like, it would need to do a square around itself. It would be better to not mine the blocks you don't want to be mined, but it would make it less efficient in terms of movements and actions. So let me get the turtle API going just to see. Yeah, so there is a dig up dig in front, and dig up, dig down. That's the 3 you can do. You can't do dig right, dig left. If you could, it would be better. But in our case, the less we turn, the better it is. So, all right. Let's go back to the game. I think we have a winner. Well, let's just put a light there. So, how many people got lost in this? I presume a lot. Let me put... these are not important. Hey, buddy. What are you making there? Did I get a... I got a head. Oh yeah, it didn't show. I upgraded it to capturing 4. It was so long to do it. Like, just to get the freaking capturing 1 and upgrading. This is all the mod 6. So let's put these in there. Alright, so we want to make the turtle. So this is the one. So you need to make a computer like this and then upgrade it with an Aldemodium. Okay, that's doable. Gold. This. And 1 piece of redstone. Alright. Oh wait, do you guys see the thing I'm doing? Yeah, okay. Because I have some shortcuts that put things... Oh yeah, you want to see, Fabio? I captured 1 slime. I already had 3, I don't know from where. Wither Skeleton, Witch, Vindicator, Chicken, and Enderman. So, and I also killed all my chickens. But yeah, it's not important anyway. So let's do this, and we need a little bit more gold. And 1 Aldemodium. I think I placed them here. Alright. So there you go. So now we got this one, but we need to put a diamond pickaxe on it. Hey, still awakened. Where are my sticks? That's the problem with these inventory. This one, and then we put that together. All right, so we got our turtle, and we're just gonna test a couple of things. There. Let's put it here, and for space been put to upload a program. Yeah, okay. No. Label set test dummy. Drive name test. Oh, wait. There you go. Computer set to test dummy. Perfect. So, alright. We're just gonna try some things. Lua. And... can I do like... turtle... dot... dig... down? Oh wait, string tool side left. And there you go. So it's mined at the bottom. I'm a programmer and I hate doing this text. So then again, we can do dig up. And there we go. It mined the block up and it has it in his inventory. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place 4 blocks here. And if it detects, I think there's also a detect up and down and detect forward. Well, up and down because forward we need to go anyway. But if it detects that the block at the top and the block at the bottom are the blocks that are in the inventory, either in the 4 place, it's not gonna mine it and it's gonna skip that step. So alright, I have no idea if it's gonna work, guys, but I need to see if visual code is gonna show. It doesn't. Alright, give me a second. Oh, there we go. You guys see it? So let me just get the correct page going because there are files on my computer you guys don't need to see. No, I'm kidding. They're just normal files. There really isn't anything. So common and turtle? What did I name it? I could just create a new one. Yeah, let's just create a new. Alright. It's cheat. Alright, so that's my blood magic one. So let's just do a new one. And let's call it turtle miner dot lua. There we go. Alright. So first of all, we're just gonna name what we need to do. So we need a move function. We need a mine function. We need a detect function. Detect function. Let's add detect extremities. Extremity, just extremity, okay? And detect block to mine. No, analyze block to mine. All right. Because pretty much this one, check in front and side. Check side, check top, bottom. Well, yeah. Top and bottom. All right. Of course, there's check fuel. So okay, so check fuel function. Check location function. I know I'm putting a lot of things, but check distance function, that comes in handy. Function. Refuel function. And check inventory function. Dump inventory function. So I remember the times when I would screenshot all the pastebin link for the computer graph code. We would see in the odd chances that I would ever use it. Yeah, I know the feeling. I don't know, it's kind of a challenge. With what I went through, I kind of need to get something that feels more normal. And this is the thing. Coding, so for me it's normal. Alright. Do you guys see other things that could be needed? So, when you start... Oh yeah, a start function. Inputs? Reader? Maybe? Help function? To help people? I think that one is really important. All right. So a function to mine, which is going to use the detect function. All right. I never programmed any Minecraft mods because I don't really have any ideas of what to do. So I never actually done it. But if you know me, you probably know that I programmed the Lua code for a big reactor. But yeah, that's pretty much one of my most famous video, pretty much, I think. Alright, well, I think we've got a good thing going here. So now let's break it a little bit more. The move function needs to detect call detect function. Yeah. If up move. Yeah. Okay, that works. The mine function is gonna be a little bit weird. Actually, the move doesn't detect anything. The mine function move. So this one, what it's gonna do, it's gonna detect if there's a block that you can mine or things like that in front of you. So, yeah, I'm trying to think exactly. So it's gonna detect the block, then it's gonna mine if mine, else call start line. No. Call go to new line. Something like that. So go to new line function. What do you mean by the check location and distance? So the turtles now in the new versions, they use fuel. So I gotta make sure that it has enough fuel when it moves to reach the location to refuel. So I need to check the current location and I need to check the distance. So I need to know where it is and how far it is from the refuel location and the dump location. So that's what I mean by that. Go to new line. All right. The go to new line is pretty much turn the correct way. I still don't know where, how it's gonna go. Turn the correct way. And mine, move, until at new line location. Repeat until at the new line location. Then turn the correct way again to replace itself for the location. Yeah. Oh yeah. And it's gonna call the mining again, just to mine the block that it didn't mine. Mine again. And then move. Yeah, pretty much. That's what it means. It depends, that's the thing. I want it to be able to do the size you want. I don't know what's the maximum size, but if you ask it to do 5,000, 5,000, still you're gonna need to chunk load the 5,000 blocks, but it should work if you chunk load it. So yeah, in theory it should work. Yeah, so this is what I think it goes. Something like that. The detect function, it's pretty much what it says. So 1024, 1024, it's 64. Yeah, if you can chunk load this, sure. So alright, so the detect extremity, it's gonna check location. And check extremities. Extremity? I don't know how to write that word, so it's just gonna stay like that. So we need a function to know in the start function, pretty much, but it's gonna contain set. Oh no, it's the input variable. Input set input variables function, kind of. It just drops a chunk loader every time it's close to a new chunk. Like it just drops a new one. That'd be very funny if I was able to do that. So top and bottom. This one is just check.
You clearly do not know what you just got yourself
Thank you for the follow, Defop. I'm never sure if the person that follows is actually on the stream, because if you didn't know, if they're checking a video and they follow, it shows. I programmed the mining turtle to one. Yeah, to be honest, I did code a bunch of things. Like all this here is coded just to move stuff into a blood altar. Like it's 500 lines, 479 lines of code just to move items into into a blood thingy. Oh, you're still only halfway through yesterday. Hey, Lewis. So yeah, and think about the fact that the altar one is a lot simpler than the turtle. So it's probably... So, alright. This one is pretty much check block against inventory slots. All right. Hey, beer. Check location. No, check distance. Compare fuel to distance. If lower than distance plus 1, return home. Does that work? It was a script that would just move from a chest to the altar, but you could tell him like what to make, and it would do them in the correct order. So it like you could tell him make 54 of this, and it would send it to the stuff, and he could add crafts to the program. Oh yeah, yeah, that makes me think. Right. GPS API to mark out the area you want to mine in a similar fashion? Kind of, yeah. So the thing is, let me switch again. So let's take it with us. Why not? What the heck was that noise? So let's go to the mining dimension. All right. So let's say I'm here. All right. And I want it to go, I don't know, until here. So the thing that I'm gonna tell it is the direction is looking, because if you want to change the direction, well, you're gonna have to tell it the direction it's looking at. Because, or no, I could detect it. Yeah, I could detect it. So you tell it 50 by 50, and that means 50 by 50. I could tell it location-wise, but that could be complex. Should I do that? Which one would be cooler? Sorry, no, Dodoment, I don't think I will finish Dungeon Dragons and Space Shuttle. So yeah, which one do you guys would prefer? Look, like the location or the distance you want? So 50 by 50, something like that. I never actually tried the GPS coordinate thing. Let's see, so GPS API. GPS locate 5. All right, so okay, so let's do this. Text this local variable in later inputs, remove the local keyboard. Okay. So it can do that, and then you can do X. Oh, no, just X. Nil? Why is it nil? Let's try a print X. 1. I don't think it's at 1, guys. Why? 1. Z. 1. Huh. Yeah, that doesn't work. Well, let's see. Can I redo this and just do that? It still says 1. Is it that it doesn't work in a different dimension? Let's try. Let's put it here. I need to redo the thing. So X, Y, Z equal GPS.locate print X nil 1. Oh. Yeah, this time it returned nil. Why does it return nil and 1? That's weird. Z? Is there like something you can do with the coordinates? It says you're supposed to be able to do like just something like this. Lua, attempt to concatenate a global Z, a nil value. Yeah, so it somehow can't detect where it is. So I don't think we can use... Oh, yeah, I could. Turtle... Move? No, it's... I'm doing a turtle thing and a forward. Okay. Forward. Out of fuel. Okay, yeah. Let's grab this. Let's put it there. Turtle. Refuel. Right? Forward. Is it that it needs to have this? A space? Still no. Hey, Void. Oh, you need the wireless modem? Okay, let's see. Because you can add two things. So maybe that's what I need. All right, let's see. So that's stone and an ender pearl. Let's try. Oh yeah, I should have looked if like the GPS provide turtle with their own location. It broadcasts a ping message over RedNet and wait for a response. In order for the system to work, there must be at least 4 computers. Yeah, okay, that's that's way too complex. It needs 4 4 things. When entering the coordinate for hosts, you need to put in XYZ computer. Also note, you may choose... look, we're gonna put the modem, but if it needs 4 computers, I don't think we're gonna do it. We need to put it on the left. Yeah, I know, it's too logical. Lua. X, Y, Z, equal GPS dot locate. Oh, hey, it took time. Print X. Nil. Yeah, doesn't work. Yeah, that would be cool if it just told me where it was. So what do we have as the turtle? So... Suck up, suck down, refuel, get fuel level, get fuel limit, transfer to... Yeah, there really isn't anything more. So yeah, sadly it can't. Well, Open Computer isn't in 1.16, so computer craft it is. But Turtle versus Query. Like, all right, so I guess we don't do the we don't do the location, right? To file function read file function.
What we do here is go back.
All right. So this one's gonna be pretty easy to move function. It's literally function move. It's the stupidest function ever. Oh wait, I don't remember how you do a function. Is there something? No, okay, you just go down. Okay, you go turtle dot forward. That's it. That's the function. End in there. Is it end? Yes. End. That's it. We did the move function, guys. Are you proud we did something? GPS error 404. So yeah, that's it. That's the function. Because it's never going to do anything else than move forward. Because we're going to turn it when we want to go to a new line. So that's it. Yeah, okay. And if we go back to our drawings, oh man, I need to clear this drawing. Okay. So let's put this back here. Let's remove this. Let's move that. Let's move that. Let's put back the drawing. So we always start. So let's see a view from the top here. So we start here. Always two direction are X. Let's put this bigger. All right. X is here. And the Z axis is here. You can't just write. I could write turtle.forward. Yes, but for the moment we'll leave the move function. Maybe eventually there's going to be more into it, so I want to mother freaker. No, I want to make it into smaller portions. So, all right. So thing first, it's gonna mine, move, and then go down one. So that's gonna be the start thingy. And then the Y is gonna be later. Okay. The thing, though. Yeah, I'm asking too many questions. Alright, so the X function is gonna go there. Then mine up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. These kind of things. And when it gets there, it just turn right, move there, turn right, and then continues pretty much. That's it. That's what it does. Yeah. So it's pretty easy stuff. Okay. I wish. I wish it was Python. It's Lua. It's not what you might think. So yeah, okay, yeah, that's why I was going there. So when we start, so here is 0, 0. Like, it's pretty clear. That's where we start. So at 0, 0. So when it moves there, it's at 0, 1. And so that's how we're gonna know the size. Lua is pretty close to Python in terms of looking like, not in terms of power, but yeah. So this one's gonna be at 0, 1, and when it's gonna go down, well, we're gonna have the Z, so it's gonna be at 0, 1, 1? Yeah, pretty much. Because going down actually means going up in our calculation. So that's gonna be how we're gonna know where it is right now. If it's at the, like, the edge, or these kind of things. So that's how we're gonna know. All right, so I've got 3 locations. So X, Y, and yeah, it's kind of weird because it's X, Z, Y. I don't like it, but I prefer horizontal, like, and then vertical. I don't know, what would make more sense, guys? Should we do the, like, for the location XYZ, while Y is being the vertical one, and the horizontal thingy are the X, the first and the last one? There's a lot of people from Twitch. So the distance is pretty simple. The distance, I actually didn't think it was that simple. I can't get the Minecraft coordinates. In Minecraft coordinates? Okay, yeah. So check location function, it's pretty much going to be just check the coordinates. So you get chords from var, pretty much. Or maybe instead of this, yeah, because that's a stupid function. Update location function. Change to reflect location per movement. The distance is going to be X location plus Z location plus Y location. So you might ask yourself why it's that, because it's not really the correct distance. But if we looked at how the turtle moves, if it's here, I can't go in diagonals. So I need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then also go into the vertical movement. So that's why it's the 3 at the same time. So this is going to be the distance. Yeah, so this is it. The refuel, it's... I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. Need to check. Wait, let's do. Need to check API. Hey, how you doing? Check inventory function. Is inventory full? Can I move things? What else? So the inventory function, that's the thing I'm not sure. It's, there needs to be 2. So check inventory and check drop off inventory. Inventory function. For refueling, you could use the coal you collect, or you could use a long burning fuel such as blaze rods. Yeah, that's the goal. But my reason is, do I want? So let's say I've got chests. Do I want to put like one in the back and one on the side? One containing the fuel and one dropping items off? Or do I want to do the whole thing in the same inventory? Yes, the dash is comments in Lua. No, it's pseudocode. You write in pseudocode for Lua. Just gonna throw you if you don't know Existing Fairy. There's the miner, the builder. This guy. It's actually pretty easy to make and everything. But yeah, for my purposes, it's I need to do something like that. So it's actually really easy to make. It just needs four aldemodium, that's it. So yeah, this is kind of the question. This is why I want to make sure before. Because if it's in the same chest, you gotta make sure that you keep enough for it than the other one. But the thing is, Sherman, it's because I'm not the only one playing. And the turtle is in a lot of packs that is not necessarily in... that has the builder or another one of the sort. Like if you're going to fabric, there's a lot of packs that are not there, meaning that you have access to your turtle, but you don't have access to, let's say, a miner or something of the sort. So I think it's best if I do this. I know it's maybe a little bit weird because I have access to the other one, but I don't only think to what I have. Like, let's put more question. Same chest as drop off. Different chests for fuel. Refuel one stack or until full. So these are the questions I have. If you keep it in the same inventory, then you will need to sort for the fuel. It's also drop off the mine material. Yeah, that's why I was thinking that maybe just having another inventory instead might be better for this. So checking inventory is inventory full to go back. Okay, so I presume there's going to be a go back function. I will play with bees. I don't have a choice but to play with bees. Like, I'm the bee king. Like, I don't have a choice to play with bees. It was written in the stars. You know, I haven't even played with the bees in the normal version of Minecraft. And I played it, and I haven't even played with the bees. So, yeah. So, is inventory full to go back? Can I move things? Actually, that one is not good. It's gonna be in the dump function. Alright, so is the inventory full? Check the block against verify blocked slots for items. Yeah. Okay. Spend on that. Check drop off chest or empty slots. Drop items. No, this one doesn't do that. It only checks for the slots. Go back. find location of turtle. Move y-axis. Move x-axis. No. Yeah, move x-axis. And move z-axis. Alright, so let me explain that move because it might not be clear why. So let's say we have again our drawings. So we move like this. So we go in this direction. So we're moving against the z-axis. So in our code, the z-axis is the last one because it's the movement we do. The first. So it's the last one we make. And here, if we then move here, and I move all the way there, and I don't have any more fuel, that means that I can't really go here to go there, because I have no more fuel, so the best way would be to go left, and then go back to our location at the beginning to get more fuel. I don't want it to break stuff when it's running out of fuel. It's gonna be too complicated to handle, get to a new location and then go back to the previous location and these kind of things. It would be better, but at the same time, not really. It's not that hard to craft. It's not why I'm doing this, to be honest. So, yeah. This is the software you're using for demonstration of turtle movement. The logo looks like it's Adobe Illustrator. It's Adobe Illustrator because I didn't know what to use to show this. So, and it's also a very old version of Adobe Illustrator because I still have my CD key from Adobe Illustrator 6. Yeah, it's 1 fuel per movement. So in an example, if let's say we're at 666, because oh yeah, then it's gonna be 18 fuels to reach. Yeah, 18 fuels to reach. Wait, no. It's gonna be 15 fuels. No, 16 fuels. Because it needs to go to 1x, 1y, and 0z. Yeah, I'm not an OG that uses paint. I could have used the Photoshop as well, it would have worked. But they're not for that. Dump inventory. This one's gonna check drop off inventory. Check drop off inventory. Well, probably not. Yeah, these things are probably changing. If space, then empty. I wish I had hold Adobe apps before they... Yeah, that's the only reason why I'm using them. Oh my god, Dodo, that's actually an amazing idea to use Excel. I didn't even think of it. But I'm a programmer and I despite Excel. So I don't know why I despite it. Then the one that are in Russian marketed as open source. That also works. But no, I literally have my key from back in the day. So I was actually happy when I found it a couple years back. Start function. Okay, so that's where it gets complicated. So let's skip. Let's skip that and put it here. All right. Set input variable function. It's probably going to be divided in multiple ones. So there's going to be set size. Set. What else? Yeah. Query or ore miner. And what else? I think that's it. We set the size and we set the query. So those are the two things we're gonna ask the person to set. Yeah. Oh, you know the move function? There you go. I have what it's gonna do. Move function. Update file document with new location. That way, if the computer breaks down and the server restarts, it's gonna keep going when we start it again. Because the moon is more short than probably. Input reader, well, I'm not sure I'm gonna do it. So, well, you guys can tell me. So, what would be the best? So, if we go here, would it be better to have, like, let's say, we're gonna call the program's gonna be called query. So you're gonna take like query like this, and then you're gonna type 50 by 50 by 50, and then ore miner, and that's it on one line. Or you type query, and then I asked you how big. No. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the. I think that's gonna be one line. It's just easier. Yeah, we're gonna go for one line. Read the four inputs and put them in variables. There we go. All right, so let's put that. Command. Name of program. There we go. So this is gonna be a command. X length. Is it how you write length? I'm never sure. Y length. I'm never sure if it's HT or TH, but I think it's TH. I'm probably not at all doing it correctly. Y length. Z length. Yeah. And type of mining. All right. This one is gonna default on query. So if you don't put it, it's gonna put it on query. All right. Other question. Yeah, I'm programming a mining. Okay. So what if
You clearly do not know what you just got
Thank you
yourself
for the
into.
follow. Type of mining, hardcore. Yeah, I've done a couple of programs and I never
clearly
really
do
showed
not
it.
know what you
Thank
just
you for
got
the follow,
yourself into.
Frankster Gangster and Wesselin. So the thing you can do is, what if I tell it to do like a square, right? Or something like let's say query, and then I say just 50, and then I say ore mining. Would I allow that? Or not, because I'm not an idiot and I don't want to code 50 more lines of code. Okay, so we don't allow that. That works. This is the way we do it. This is how we do it. Okay. Print the line at the bottom. There you go. on name of computer of program help. There you go. Think this is perfect, right? 1,000 line for, like, I add the verification and the number of arguments, the taking of the x as everything else, then we also need to verify the z-axis, and then we need to, yeah, no. Alright, so wait, read file, I'm pretty sure I've got a read recipe file, there we go. Here it is. So I've got it in my other document. So delete recipe. If arg1 add. Wait, I'm not sure. What exactly am I reading here? I don't think there was anything there. I can watch the stream at lower quality. Oh, I didn't even know I had it, so thank you for letting me know. I'm just streaming higher because some people want to see. So, okay, so save recipe to file. So let's grab that and write to file. And we're gonna call that save. Save data to file, and we're gonna call that turtle data and a write the name data, but this we don't know yet, so add the data. There you go. So this one is done. How is it going to... I don't know, I'm still with the turtle. To be honest, I'm not gonna stream too many of the turtle, but I might do it. Alright, so here we got read recipe file. Oh my god, you're gonna love this part, Sherman. There's some regex. I haven't done regex in a while. I don't even know what this means. So what was I doing? The name? This. Okay, yeah. Alright. So something with something with something. And if it matches, it adds the name, the base, and the outcome. So what it's gonna be, it's gonna be... there's gonna be more than that. It's probably because it's smaller characters. I'm sorry, Wizalin. The thing is, okay, so in the file, we need to keep a couple of information. The current location of the turtle. So there's going to be an X, Y, Z. The current... No, I don't need... Because with the current location, I can determine where the beginning was. Yeah, I can do that. So I need the size. So I need size X, size Y. Wait, we use the word length. So length Y, length X, and the length Z. So these are three things. So do I really want to go with this? Why not? Let's continue with this. It's a piece of crap. Yeah, nah. So, alright. Xlock Y lock, and Z lock, and length X. Oh. Length Y. I hit that. Y and length Z. So, alright. So that should work. Should is a big word. But yeah, so we're gonna remove that, and these are probably going to be global variables. Just because we don't really care in that program situation. And the thing is called turtle data. There you go. Oh wait, no, let's give it the real name. So Kraken, because maybe people easily use other program. Kraken Miner Turtle Data. There we go. That should be long enough and crazy enough that it works. Yeah. That should work. And I completely forgot. How did I write stuff? File write? Alright, so I guess we're gonna write like this. This is all possible to move. The thing is, I don't need the start location. Hey, you won. I don't need the start location because I got the location of currently where it is. So I don't need to know where the start is. If I'm at 6, the start is at -5 in X. So that's just the correct way of doing it. I'm doing good. So yeah, that's pretty easy, I think, to do. I don't need to do an end of line. Right. I think I need to clear the document first. Yeah, I think I need to clear it. Alright, and one last. Oh, 2 dots. Okay, so let's put length Z, length Y, length X. And alright, so now we're good. But here I need to see, I'm not sure how you clear this. I probably have something to delete. Where do I have it? No, I think the write function will overwrite. Well, let's see the API. File. OS, yeah, that's the one. No, it's IO. Or is it? Yeah, IO. Okay. Alright, so IO, we're doing open. So open will do that. W is in write mode, but it doesn't say... Oh, we can't preserve, so yeah, W is just, it's gonna remove everything. Well, that's what people decided, so we decided to go with that. So, alright. So this should work. So we already know that we're gonna have these. So how do I go to... Man, it's been so long since I coded. So you just do local. Local xlock. I know you don't need to do like this, but I'm kind of used to it. We're gonna keep it. Wait, I think I can do xlock. Y lock, Z lock, X length X, length Y, and length Z. I think I can put them in one line. No, it's Minecraft. What are you seeing? Look, it's Minecraft. What are you saying? It's Minecraft. It's Minecraft in the back. I hope I don't die because I'm just standing here, like in my house, protected by a little door. And I really hope I don't die. I want to go hide in the corner here. Can't you see it's Minecraft? Alright. So it's not bad because we've got these here already done. So that's actually really good. I'm gonna put those at the end. Here. Alright. Okay. So the help function is pretty easy as well. So pretty much we're simply going to write something. I was looking for if it was something else, but function help, right, and n. Use the help light blue. What? Missing third argument. Use the help command to. Oh, I didn't know you can have different colors. Well, that's pretty good. Okay. So let's go with this. Nah, not really. I'm not even a senior at all. So, no. It's just something fun. For me, at least. So, alright. To use the program, type in as follow. Wait, am I doing it like this? Or... Wait, well, let's see how it was before. I think I still have my copy-paste. Yeah, okay. So it added another one as follow. Then we can do comma like this. Then we're gonna do the... Oh, I removed the line! It was so long to type. I'm gonna Control Z this thing. Alright. There we go. Name of program like this. We're gonna put it blue. Well, let's put it light blue like the other one. Light blue. I'm from Canada. I'm Canadian, French Canadian. Give me a second. Alright, sorry. Out of text. Alright, so something like this. I don't know if I can do that. Maybe I could just... let's make it more, like, simpler. So... Right... This. Like that. We're just gonna put them on different lines. Okay. And then the third line. Right. My mom is mine. No, my dad. Mine's more Then yours 50, 50, 50, or minor. All right. Example. I don't know in English. Example. Wait. Example. Yeah. No. That's the freaking French one. That's the English one. All right. Dang it. This thing here needs to have a /m as well. I think this is or minor. I want to see zombie or beeper. Yeah. All right, so that should work in theory again. And we're gonna remove this. Can I copy this and then go in the game? And we're going to exit and go edit test, then Control V. Oh, it only copy pastes one lines at a time. All right. Right. This is stupid. I want to make sure if it works or not. Save. Wait. I need to call the function. Help. Run. Unexpected near end. What did I do? Line 7. Oh, yeah, this. Save, run. Right. Expected string or number got table. Huh. Okay. Alright, I guess I can just print it normally. Yeah. Right. Just like that. And like that. Let's forget about the light blue. Yeah, the thing is you can only do a certain amount per day. I'm not... oh, dang it. I deleted the whole thing. I'm not a fully fledged person yet. I hate coding in this thing. Alright. Control save, control run. Unexpected. Oh, yeah, these things here. And end. Control save, control run. To use the program, type in as follow. Name of program, X length, Y length, Z length, type of mining. Example, my dad mines more than yours, 50, 50, 50, or minor. Press any key to continue. That kind of works, right? So if we exit and I type test, that's what it does. Is it clear or is it not clear? Maybe I'll add colors to this, so I'll see add colors. Wait, let's do the real thing to do add colors. Clear, kinda. Alright. So that's easy, that's the thing. Start function's gonna have to wait a little bit because we're not there. Okay, here, function read inputs. X lock, no, X
You
lock.
clearly do not know what you just got yourself into.
Thank you for the follow, Dodo Man's TV. No, it's not X lock, it's X length. No, length X. X equal args. Wait, is it args? How do I get my args? I think it's something fishy. I never remember. Args equal this. Yeah, that's what I thought. There's something fishy. All right, now get args. Args. Oh man. So this is one thing. You always pretty much start. Oh, dang it! I forgot to switch to code. Oh, you unfollowed and followed back? Okay, well, it still said your name. Args. So the thing is, yeah, it starts at 1. It doesn't start at 0. That's the thing. That's the thing I hate. It starts at 1, not at 0. It's so annoying. Y, Z, 3, 2, and job detail. No, just job. Let's go. Let's call it job. Turtles haven't been part of country. Well, they have been. Yeah, they have been for a while. Job equal args 4. All right. So this is pretty much it. Okay, and end. All right. I'm thinking. Give me a second. All right. So let's check the other ones. All right. What can we do quick? So update file with new location. So what I can do here is save data to file. There we go. Wait, no, we need to update the data. Do we have an update location function? Yeah, update location. So see, the move function became a little bit further than what you guys thought. All right. So what do we have next? The mine function. Call detect function. Okay, so then we need to do detect function. So location. So then we need to do check location. We don't have a check location anymore. Function detect. End. All right. So detect extremities. All right, so this one's pretty simple. If x lock +1 Oh, wait. I need to think a little bit. Alright, let's go to the drawing. Alright. So what we want to do is we don't want it to mine this block here. So we don't want it to mine this thing. So we need to check if the block, if this guy is at the side. So we check if the block's +1 is higher. What if we're here and I'm going here and I checked x +1, then this one failed. Did you guys get it? So it means the z is going to be to the top. Yes. So this one's going to be to the top, but this one's going to be different. So if, let's say I'm at bedrock, I can't mine down, but I can still mine forward. So, oh wait, I think the best thing is an example like this. So let's say the turtle is here. It can still move that way, but it can't move down because there's something under it. Hey guys. So that means that it's still a valid move to go that way, just not to go down. So yeah, so all right, how do we detect that now? Do we have something that we pass to tell what we're trying to detect? Or do we detect all three and return an array containing what? Yeah, we return like the 3. It is, but that's one of the things that I might need to fix eventually. Some mod packs don't have flat bedrock, which means I need to stop when it's at 6, which I can't detect. So yeah, that's a big problem because GPS was gonna help for that. Yes, I would get stuck. But I can detect bedrock, though. So I can detect the bedrock. Because there is a function for API that inspect, and it returns the ID strings and the metadata in front of the block. Meaning that I can check if the bedrock is something. All right, so my idea is this, okay? So if x +1 greater or equal, I have no idea. I don't think that's how you do it. Well, let's see. I probably have some of that. Equal, yes, no. Wait, oh, I'm at the end. I'm not in the calculations. I don't remember in Lua the if portions. And I don't even think I've got stuff here. Doesn't equal nil. Yeah. Higher than, okay, that's normal stuff. So if is +1 is higher than the length X. Wait, I think I need to do something like, oh man, I really need to get used to this. Then, okay, that's just then. All right, so then Here I'll have a local detection data equal this. I think I can add to it. Yeah, I can just add it like this. Then detection data x equal false. Something like that, yeah. There's probably a better way of doing it. Because this is ugly, because I would need to do else detection. That's bad. Detection data x equal true. That's bad. Okay, instead, true. People are having fun with the emojis. I do that. Fee? No, it's not fee. I thought it was fee. It's not fee. It's end. Huh. I was sure it was fee for some reason. And then we check the Y. Then we check the Z. And then we're gonna return detection data. You can return, right? Yeah. Yeah. What code is that? There's a code that you type fee for an end of if. Yeah, it's if reversed as the end of if. All right. So what that means here is what it's gonna return is either like something like this. Like, let's say, true, 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 or something like true, true, nil. Meaning that when you're gonna try to get your Z, if it's nil, that means that you're against the wall. Or wait, I should reverse it. Because you want to know if you're against the wall, not if you're not against the wall. Oh yeah, I think it's a shell. Yeah, it's shell. It's a SH thing. So yeah, I want to reverse it because we're detecting if we have something. So this one plus one. All right. Let's do that like that. Can I do a one-liner? I think I can do like this. It's a lot better, I think. There. Just because these things, I kind of hate the way they are. So it's gonna be less horrible if they're one-liners. I'm gonna have to check after, like, there's probably a bunch of things I could do better, but I don't code a lot in Lua. So, yeah. There you go. That's better. Alright, detect function. Returns true if collision if can't mine. There you go. Alright, so there's this. There's going to need a freaking function for function check for bedrock. There. Alright, it's created. So, the location, the extremity, so this we have. Check top bottom. Block to mine. Oh. Alright, we also have to check. Alright, we need to do this. And to do check for bedrock. Man, that's complicated. Check down and up. It might sound weird, but you can mine in the nether. So there's bedrock upwards. So well, I guess I could put it in the same place here. I just need to add. Yeah, okay, we're just gonna leave it like this. Okay. So this can go. Check fuel. Alright, let's check. Which one? Check this. Okay, we're gonna do check distance. So function check. I don't like the word check. Calculate distance. Alright, and it's simply going to return xlock plus zlock plus zlock, because the other one's going to be y. Hey, Dirk! And end. Alright, so this one's pretty simple. It's just gonna return that.
76543.
Alright. Update location. Change to reflect location per movement. Okay, so now this is where it gets weird. Aha! I found another thing that needs to be kept. Orientation. Turtle. Well, just orientation. You know, it might like servers instead of computers. No. So I guess we need to add another one here. Oh my god, this is so stupid. This shouldn't be the case here. But yeah, why not? Let's go with that. Write these. Oh yeah, I forgot. It needs to write also the job. So the orientation and the job. And here we need to do the same thing. So orientation and job. There's a good chance that eventually I'll make an object called turtle with all those things in there. Like the location for X, Y, Z, orientation, and the job. And the length is gonna be in like an object called query. It's gonna be better, like it's gonna look more like this. So it's gonna make more, well, I don't really have an example here. But to me, it's gonna make more sense than just having random things like that. So for the moment, it's just like this, but it's probably going to change. So, alright. Wait, let's... Orientation and job. Probably in a couple of days. Probably not tonight. So, alright, refuel function. So, alright, what do we do, guys, here? Do we just work with the fuel inside of it? Or do we add like a chest on the side here? I think the chest on the side is a lot better. It's gonna allow you to know, like, to have your fuel separate, and you can like send the fuel there and everything else somewhere else. Or you can send it back to the chest to have the fuel so it can like put it in a slot or fill up and then just go. I think this might be a good idea. So I think we're gonna have a second chest. Yeah. Oh man, I think we need to also keep the information of the original... No, we don't. Because we're always gonna arrive facing the chest, so we can turn twice to be in the correct direction. Yeah, okay. Add my eyes closed. What did you guys say? Make it to put coal to the fuel best and other stuff in the orchard. Yeah. I think that's probably going to be something like that. So, the idea was that it needs to come back here. But the way you can mine stuff and see things... So let's say you transfer, transfer. You need to say the quantity item selected slot to slot. If quantity isn't specified, we'll transfer everything in the selected slot to slot. But that's not what I want. Equip right, get item space, get item detail, select. How do you put an item in a chest? Drop. Drops all item in the selected slot. Drop count. If there is an inventory on the side and in the front of the tutorial, it will try to place into the inventory, returning false if the inventory is full. Okay. So drop. So that's gonna be the thing. From the ground or an inventory in front of the turtle. Okay, wow, this is gonna be a little bit more complex than I anticipated. So, alright. So, if we, again, imagine that I'm the turtle, and I just finished my job, so I'm coming back, I'm going back to the chest. The way I can drop my items is only if the turtle is facing that way. And then to grab the fuel, I need to turn the turtle, grab the fuel, and then go back this way and then go on my way. So that's the way we can do that. So let me go back in the code. Refuel needs to be facing the fuel chest. Okay. Different chest for fuel, we said yes. Again. Okay. Refuel until full or no more item to grab. No more fuel to grab. Okay, so these are going to be the two things. All right, see ya, Dodo. It's alright. I understand. Coding isn't for everyone, so you don't have to worry if you guys don't want to watch this. It's alright, so function refuel. Okay, do I make the turtle make the left turn here? Or do I make the turtle make the left turn before I refuel? I think it should do it outside of the function. The thing it should do, pick up an item stack or any number. It should do turtle dot suck and 64. Wait, no. While. Wait, how do you do while? I don't. Okay, let me check the Lua API as well. Lua while loop. I don't remember. Okay, so while okay. Yeah, okay, I get it now. See ya. So it's while turtle dot get fuel limit, return the maximum amount of fuel turtle, get fuel level, return the current fuel level of the turtle is the number of blocks the turtle can move. Okay. If while fuel doesn't equal turtle fuel limit, do turtle suck and then turtle dot refuel. I think that's the, yeah, refuel. Okay, and then we do, I think it's an end. Yeah, it's an end. Or, wait. Or. No. That one's gonna be weird. If turtles suck, then refuel. Else, is there break? I think there is. I think there's break. Lua while break. Break and return. If then break end. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's one. Then break. Okay, yeah, that's the one. That gets a little bit complex, I think. So what's gonna happen? It's gonna verify if the level, there's still enough level. If it isn't equal to the level, it's going to suck in 64 items from the chest. It's going to use them to refuel the turtle. If it can't suck 64 items, meaning that it's gonna fail this, it's gonna return false. I believe that's what it returns. So if suck fails, it returns false. So it's gonna return false, then it's gonna break. But one thing I'm gonna add, turtle dot drop. So that way, if we have something like, I don't know, 12 fuel, we're gonna drop it back into the chest. That way we have an empty slot in our inventory. So yeah, so that works. In theory, again, in theory this works. So one thing I should probably do is like, all right, I think it's time to do it. Paste bin. Let's create a tiny program. New paste. Let's put all that there. Syntax, it's Lua. I'm gonna put it unlisted. And it never... And create new paste. Alright. So... Now let's go back here. I need some coal. We're gonna put it in there. We're gonna put our turtle facing this. And then we're gonna do paste bin get this code. You guys can get it if you want, but it just doesn't really do anything. Won't you run out of fuel like this? No, because I'm gonna calculate the fuel while we go, because some people are gonna use lava. So some people will use lava to do this. So it kinda needs to be done. And it just made me think that actually I want to do a turtle drop when I'm there as well. Because if there's a bucket, I need to drop the bucket. Okay, wait. Let's put a commentary here. Check for lava bucket. To do. Let's do it to do. Check for lava buckets to return the bucket. Because I'm not sure how to do that one yet, but that's something that needs to be done. Alright, so let's go back here, and we're gonna call that test query. Okay. The only thing that I'm an idiot is that I didn't put any function, so it's not gonna run anything. So let's modify my code online. I'm just gonna run... I want to run the function that I just made to see if it's gonna run. So refuel. So let's me add that, save changes. Alright, so delete test. Well, let's delete test.lua and test query. And let's get that and test query. Unexpected symbol near 29. Welcome to the good life of programming. 29. What doesn't it like? Uh, 29 unexpected symbol. This? I thought you could do that. I'm not sure why it's doing that. Is it that it doesn't like these kind of things? I should have tested each function because now it's gonna freak out for every error while I'm trying to test one thing. Alright, I guess we're gonna do multiple lines. I'm gonna type the refuel, which I typed with a capital letter. Refuel like this. And I tried to do a script to change my code online when I had like a paste bin, but I couldn't do it. Like, it's not possible. The RPI doesn't allow you to actually modify a script. Still? What? Oh, wait! Dang it, I'm an idiot. I don't need the signs anymore. This doesn't go there. Okay. So then that should work. Okay. This is the beauty of doing all of this. To go back and forth all the time. 42. All right, so let's go to 42. And oh, yeah, it's missing this. Let's see, just to make sure I didn't like have another one like this. Alright, let's go back here, delete, download, test query. It worked! It grabbed the coal and it fueled. I saw it pass. We have a winner! It actually worked! So, I'm curious to see, so... Turtle, get fuel level... 9,000! It's over 9,000! Okay, I'm gonna stop. That was my exit. Goodbye. I'm kidding. But yeah, so the function actually works. So I'm quite pleased. Alright. So I think we're gonna make some tests again. Lua. A bucket. In here because I want to keep the 4 first. You can't edit the download code within Turtle. You can't? Well, you can, but it's such a bad environment to code that I hate it. I just go back to the site every time. So, do I put the buckets or the fuel at the bottom here? Because if I want to put stuff here, I don't really have a choice. So the fuel is going to be placed there. Okay, so turtle.select 16. Alright, so it returned that. So what we need to do in the code is select 16 because that's where we want to like suck the things. So here in refuel we do turtle.select 16. I think we can do it. No, I prefer doing it before. It's gonna be done anyway. All right. So, alright, so now we've got the 16. The thing I want to test is turtle.getInfo. No, it's not that. Hey, Whispers. Thank you for whispering. Okay, again with the stupid jokes. Need to get item details. Get item detail. Oh, we can actually... Can I just do that? Alright, so it tells you it's a bucket. Perfect. So now... Let's go grab some lava. Do I have a place where there could be lava? No. This takes forever to go down. I need a better way. Not too overcomplicated, but what if you have an ender chest for the items to drop off into when the turtles to get full? You can't do that because you need to have a silk touch pickaxe to be able to grab the ender chest. If you want to put it down, put the items in, and then bring it back up. So you can't. I've thought about this, about an ender chest idea. If it was possible to have a silk touch, I would do it. It's an excellent idea. Dude, where's my lava? Oh, there we go. Wait, let's grab more lava while we're here. Because if I test stuff, I'll need more. Oh, a modded ender chest. But again, I'm trying to make the code work for every mod pack that has this. So I can't start using stuff that might not be available. Because if I start having dependencies on other mods, it gets way more complex. Alright, so let's do the same thing. So, it gives you the name. Can I do something like 2? Or name? Yeah, so it gives me what it is. The thing is, I don't know. I don't think you can have turtle. Yeah, I don't think you can have a turtle thingy with an enchant. You used to be able to, but I don't think you can. Oh, you would be surprised. You would be surprised. Okay. Wait, let's keep like 3. Okay, so now we need to figure out how do we do this. Yeah. It's alright. If turtle dot get item info name equals Minecraft lava bucket, then item to suck equals 1. I want to test something else. Okay. 15. Alright, so we're on 15. Let's put 2 of these here. What if I just do turtle.suck without anything in it? It takes 1. That's what I want. Yeah. So, yeah, okay, so I don't need to tell it, like, the number of items. Just 1, like this, will work. It's gonna take 1 of them. Alright. So then, I can check if it's a bucket after it's refueled. To drop it. Oh, but wait. It's gonna drop it back in the same chest. If it drops it back in the same chest, it can just grab it back. So that doesn't work. And I don't think it can suck a specific item. Do I need to drop the extra fuel in? Do I need to drop the bucket in the drop box? Ah, it's so annoying. Trying to see if there's anything. No, there's nothing. How can we fix this? I could do like turtle dot turn right, I think. Oops. Yeah, turtle dot turn right. Drop, then turtle dot turn left. That could work. So what it would do is it would grab the lava. If it's lava that if it has a bucket in the slot, 16, it would go there, drop, and come back. I think I don't have a choice but to drop the bucket there. Alright, let's try this code. Yeah. Okay. I think it might work. Okay. Alright, wait. I'm back. Family stuff. Working on a script. Can't you select the slot number in the chest? No, that's the thing. You can't. You can only say suck. So it's gonna suck one thing from it. That's the thing that's a little bit annoying. Alright. I'm pretty sure it's gonna grab the first one. But if it grabs the first one, when it's gonna put the bucket, it's gonna put it there. So it's gonna create a problem. So let's put 3 in there. And let's see it if it can do the job. So exit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test query. Okay, attempt to call get item info a nil value. Huh. Get item info. What did I do wrong? That's the line. Get item info. Oh, it's detail. It's details, not info. Detail. No, just detail. Alright. Although you could, or at least that's what I remember from watching back in the day. Really? Because I'm looking at the wiki and I don't get anything. I don't see anything to deposit an item or to grab an item directly. Like, suck as one thing, and it's the number of item you suck. There's transfer. Transfer quantity item from the selected slot to selected slot. But you can't transfer to another inventory. Unless it's not in a turtle thing. Alright, well, let's put the code back. Save. Let's go back there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Why is there a bucket there? So we do have 2. Why did it do that? It select the 16. It sucks. Okay, wait. Good thing I added more. There, it works perfectly. It went back there. There we go. And the 2 buckets are there. Ta-da! I'm a genius slash idiot slash genius. Yeah, I'm not doing the logic of the mining part, so that's where the real genius is gonna be. But yeah. But we have a refuel. Yeah, it can use lava. That's why I'm like, I need to check if you use lava to be able to drop the bucket. Hey, Potato, I'm okay. Guys, give me a minute. I'm just getting some water. All right. I kind of want a hoodie. Give me another second. Oh yeah, I have one close. All right. So, water's important, something that I don't normally drink enough of. Yeah. It's the only thing I drink, pretty much. Okay. So, check fuel. It's probably the next one we can do. But wait. Let's refuel function gets the fuel from the fuel chest in the turtle and refuels it. Thinking. So, all right, so this one here, check distance. So function check fuel. No. Calculate fuel. Remaining fuel? I don't know, because... No, it's a check. Check, because we're gonna return if it, like, it needs to go back or not. Okay, so it needs to check the fuel compared to the distance. So if calculate distance. Wait, I'm not in JavaScript. I don't need parentheses. Parentheses. Plus 1. No. If turtle.get get fuel level is lower than that, then hey Andre, should I work with a state kind of state engine to tell it what is the next thing to do? Like, can I have a loop running through it? That's the thing I'm not sure, because at the moment, like here I could return true, false, but it doesn't really mean anything. Like, check. Or do I rename it like check fuel amount? In general, because like you have a point where you're just turning, you have a point where you're moving forward, you have a point where you mine. So like the bit would change every time you run the loop. And I would just keep track of what I'm doing in a state. The state would pretty much be a variable with the name of the state of the state. That's it. Like that would literally be like local state equal mine. Like, and when it sees mine, it's gonna do the mine function. If it see go to new line, it would do the go to new line function. And then at the end of the go to new line function, it would change the state into something else. Then it would rerun the script to do the next part. Yeah, that's the thing. But I don't like the name. Check fuel deficiency. Check fuel level. Yeah. But like, I feel that check fuel level would return you a number. Like, it wouldn't return you, I don't have enough. Like, you get me? But I feel also like check, do I have enough fuel is a little bit too on the nose. Oh, check if enough fuel. Yeah, that works. Okay, it's fine. I got it. So if it's lower That means it has exactly the amount. Okay, maybe I'll do a +2 so it has 1. Guess you could check after each mining operation, see if you... That's actually what I'm gonna do. Every time it makes a move, I'm gonna check. Because this doesn't take time. It's not a check in the game, it's just code, so... true. Return true. Can I do that? Return false. I think I can. Just put it at the end. So literally this is the only thing it needs to check. This one I'm still not sure how to do it. So let's put a to do here. I guess to do being so non-computationally intense, you could check every time. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the way. The other way would be probably even better is... No, that wouldn't work. Because the thing is the computer can sometimes turn off if it's unchunk loaded or if the server stops and I want it to start over again when the server starts again. But if I just have a variable, I would need to log it into the book and everything. So I prefer if it checks every time. It's gonna be just the calculation is not gonna be that different. Yeah, I think it's better. Okay. So I guess we can check the inventory as well. Verify blocked slots for items. No, that doesn't have anything. But it is something that needs to be done to do. Function. Kind of, yeah. So it needs to know where to go and what to do. I think it would work. Check if... Verify, that's a better word. Verify if inventory full. Yeah, verify, that's the word I was looking for. Verify. Okay, so how can I do that one?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
How do I check? Okay, so if we check the computer here, so do I turn back when all this and there's one slot left open, or when it fills it? When all the slots are filled up, or when the stacks are full? Because you might lose item if I don't check for when the inventory is full. So if this is like that, it would return. I think I don't have a choice. Because there's literally more ores than there is slot in here. So you're gonna lose item if you don't do that. Yeah, I think that's the way I'm gonna do it. Alright, so... I think I had that earlier. For loop. Lua. This is what I want. Okay, so for I equal 16, 1, and minus 1, do and end. Alright. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is... yeah, I'm still at it. Local is full. Is full equal false? No, equal true. And for the whole inventory, I'm gonna check if so what's the thing? It's turtle slot. No, not get selected slot. Get item count. Get item count. I. Well, let's item slot. Prefer when it's clear what I do. Then is full. Wait, no. Is smaller than 1. Is full. False. Equal false. And then break.
I'm not a writer.
Okay.
End. Yeah, like that. And then return is full. Oh, I laughed at the first part, but then at the second one. Yeah, yeah, it's a lot safer. It's a lot safer. Oh. Alright, so this is good. I think this makes sense, right? So if there's 0... I don't know why I just... There. Like, if it's equal at 0, it's not full. Meaning that it can continue. And then it's gonna return that it's... Oh, wait, no. Okay, can I return the opposite? Because it's full. Okay, no, it's fine. Yeah, okay. I don't know why my brain thought that it wasn't working. Check drop-off inventory. Actually, we can't check. It's just gonna be when we dump, we're gonna see if literally drop works. So that function gets removed. Go back function. This is the part where It's going to be a little bit hard. Alright, to do. It's the only reason I say it's gonna be hard is because I need to figure out the orientation of the turtle before I can move it. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Just asking myself, how can I check for the orientation stuff? I have the orientation at the top, but still, what is the orientation? How do I tell it the orientation? That's my problem. Yeah, I think that's something I'll have to check. Go back function, so it's a to-do. Alright, the dump. There's a part that is a to-do, so keep one item of filter. Yeah. Well, I know the location, so what I can do is I can make it look in the direction it needs to go and move, like, let's say 6 blocks. And then turn to the other direction and then go another 6 blocks. But I need to know exactly where it is for me to be able to do that and which direction it's going. Because if, let's say, no, the other one. If, let's say, it's here, and my goal is to send it where the purple is, the way I'm gonna do it is by going, well, let's use the arrows, it's perfect for that. It's going to go left, and then it's going to go there. Down, all the way to it. But the thing is, if it's here, it might be going up, meaning that it's going to be rotating left, and if it's going down, it's going to be rotating right. So I need to know if it's going up or down. That's the thing, because it's going to change the orientation change. It's going to change the orientation change, yeah. The way I gonna orient it. Because if I do left, it's gonna go that way. So depending if it's going that way or that way, it needs to change the orientation for that. Depending on direction, rotate. No, it's not rotate. Turn turtle to correct direction to return. Right. So yeah, this one is keep one item of each for the filter. So I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to be able to do that. Yeah, that's the hard part of it. If, for the moment, I'll put true, but True needs to change to if not filter. Alright, so again, we're gonna do another for loop. And now if it's true, then oh wait, no, this one we won't break. Okay, so if it's true, then oh, I could if it is a filter. There. If again turtle dot no, we do turtle dot get dot select item slot, and if turtle get what is it, drop then wait, if not Lua. So is this for computer craft? It's computer craft. Okay, so it seems that's how you do a knot. That seems wrong to me. But that's what's written on there. Not equal or... Oh, I could do... I hate doing this, but false. Yeah, that's kind of bad. So if it can't drop, we need to stop and send and tell the system that there's no more space, so we just need to wait. Yeah. So we're gonna need to break eventually. Tell system to pause. Inventory is drop inventory is full. All right, so we got this. If it isn't a filter, if not, well, here there's an else. You need to local amount of item equal turtle dot get item count, and we do turtle pretty much we do this. Oh wait, I hate this. I really hate this.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so let's try something else instead so we don't duplicate code. Alright, I think that works. Amount of item. Alright, so that works. This is getting stupid complex. Alright, so this needs to change. So I got the to do there. If space then empty. Yeah. Alright, that works. Oh wait. -1. We need to keep 1. Set input variable function. Set size. Set query. Alright. Well, this doesn't exist. And the question of the ender chest, I even had myself, and somebody told me it's because you can't do that because we don't have a silk touch shovel, silk touch pick, meaning that you can't place and pick up the chest. So it would be better to not have it come back, but since we can't place the ender chest, that causes the problem. Well, let me check online. 1.16. Well, wait. I guess we're simply going to test. Oh man, seriously? No, I can't test. I don't have a silk touch shovel. We're still doing dungeon. No, sadly I'm not. This is all the mods. Man, I don't want to retry to do a silk touch pick. Okay, let's go into single player world. I don't want to spawn an item or anything. Great mind things alike, and because this is literally what I've been asked earlier, and we can't do that because the thing I want to do is I want to make this work with every mod pack. So if there's no dimensional chest or anything of the sort, I can't use that. It takes so long to open a world. Why is it that long? We're gonna check this, and I think after that I'm gonna end the stream. I'm starting to be a little bit... just taking a little bit of time. Yeah. Yeah, how does it get a no? So the turtle wouldn't be able to read the content. True. Yeah. So yeah, this doesn't even need to be tested. It doesn't work. That's 100% certain it doesn't work. Well, look, we're gonna test. I'm not necessarily making the turtle for this pack. I'm just making the turtle in general. Oh my god, it takes forever. Look, the thing is I'm gonna make it like that at first. And I might be able to add a condition in the future which is gonna check if there's a chest, a special chest in there. But the thing is, the more stuff I had, the more it takes time. Yeah, I was using this world to test my reactor program. If you didn't know, this is my reactor program. Okay. Turtle. I think I can do this. Alright. So we want to get an advanced turtle and a pickaxe. Slash enchant. Kraken. Silk touch. Alright, so it has silk touch. Yeah, I don't know, it's just free songs that are not gonna be copyrighted, so that's why I'm doing them. Crafting table. Yeah, you can't even put it with it. Wait, turtle. Did I grab the wrong turtle? So see, it can't even go on the computer. So let's just make sure. Diamond. Yep. It doesn't accept the enchant. So I can't use a silk touch. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, I see what you mean. Why is it not changing? Let me fix that. Let me see. I can't change the song. Why is it changing? It should change. Yeah, I manually clicked it, but that can't be the way to go. Like now it changed again, I changed the song. But if I don't, like, now I clicked it, so now it changed. What the heck? This never failed me before. I don't really know what to do now. It should work. I guess I'm gonna have to find another thing. Yeah, the ones you guys are talking about are these chests, right? I think. I really hate this. There's too many things in the freaking way. So yeah, if there was that, you could put the items in there, but it still wouldn't, like... Would you have 2 chests for, like, because, let's say the turtle... Give a second. Put that there with that. The turtle would put this chest there, but it still need the refuel chest? Huh? You still need to refuel, so would you have another one with the fuel? Meaning that, like, you would have like one here and one there? Is that what you would do? Because it's doable. Like, oh, it depends of the... It depends of the mod. Sometimes they're bigger, sometimes they're smaller. Because it could work. I don't have a Patreon, guys. Don't listen to this thing. Yeah, that's the point, because normally what my code would do is it would fuel, it would drop the item and then fuel with the left one. So it would need 2 ender chests for my code to work with ender chests. Since 1.16, I guess. Alright, so where are we? We did pretty good. The start function is gonna be a big one. And I'm gonna add execute function. Yeah, it's cool. The only issue with it is that if there's a block above it, how it's gonna open. So you see, that might be one problem. Alright, see you, Blink. Oh, okay. I'll check, just to make sure. Man, this is multiplayer. Why is loading terrain taking forever? It should already be loaded. Like... Okay, let's try something for this. I'm gonna put a chest here. And there's a function to place the item. Okay, it's just turtle place. Turtle place. So it can place the chest. Okay, let's check the ender chest. Alright, so can I make these? Probably. Alright, I guess I got that. You're playing on a private? Yeah, I'm playing a private on one of my computer at home at the moment. Should have leather. I probably don't even have leather. Yep, I don't have leather. Plains tree? Is there cows? No. Village for raid? Yeah, there's some cows here. I guess that's the way you get the leather. Well, there's some people that still do things, but we don't really do anything as a group. But it's kind of a thing. Still. Alright. So this is the poor village that I used to do my raids when I was trying to get villager, when I was trying to get this Vindicator egg. This is the poor village that I used. Okay, so... this with that. Then these around. Oh my god, I need more blaze rods, dude. I killed a bunch. Where are the rods? What the heck? Oh, there they are. Okay. I don't know. No, it doesn't work. It just opens the trash. I need some wool. So where's my string? There you go. I've got some string here. And some obsidian. Oh, 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay, so we have that. And the test we were doing was, can it open with a block on top of it? It can't. Literally can't. I knew it. I knew it. It's a shulker. It's a disguised shulker.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
It can't open with a block above it. Oh, yeah, true, maybe. Let's see. Turtle dot... Man, what is it? It's suck. Suck. Not duck. Suck. Yeah, it can. Wait, no, I need to... Dump? No. Drop. It's suck and dump, right? It can put items in, it can grab them. So alright, we don't really care if it can open it or not. Okay. So alright, I'll try to add this. I'll put the function here with a to do because it's actually a pretty good idea. So to do. Allow filter for modded ender chests or intergalactical inventory device. There you go. So, all right. I think I'm gonna stop that for now. I think it's pretty good. There's not a lot left to do. Well, not a lot. The big part is to do, but yeah, it's a pretty good start. So I'm pretty happy. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for all the help. I think they changed a couple of recipes, like a lot of them. But yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.